So Bitcoin is right now developing a new symmetrical triangle, and we can be seeing that the Bollinger Bands are literally so narrow right now, just like at the stages at this bear market bottom. So are we about to create a similar move towards the upside right here? Of course, yesterday this inflation data came out to be pretty good, but as I shared yesterday in my Telegram channel, I was expecting actually not a lot of price action to be happening and that we would still be trading inside of this symmetrical triangle. That is exactly what we did over here, and that is also the reason why you need to be joining in my Telegram channel and turn on your notifications. And the best thing is that my Telegram channel is completely free with the link down in the description. But right now we are trading inside of this symmetrical triangle, still trading in towards this consolidation range, and of course we already all know that a big move is imminent right here because of the Bollinger Bands. Well, it is literally trading so narrow right now, just like at this bear market bottom lows right here, and also just like before the bull run started. We are literally at the same narrow stages where the Bollinger Bands are right now trading at. So we do definitely already know a major market move is imminent right here. But really the question is going to be, which direction are we going to be taking? And in order for us to accurately have a look into what's that, well, we first have to have a look into what's some important charts. For example, first of all, this important symmetrical triangle, but then also this consolidation range after we printed this huge upwards move right here, where by the way, because of this upwards move, I am still in about a 4.5k profits on BitGet right here. I traded this whole pump towards the upside, as well as we are right now seeing bearish divergences being created on the daily time frame, and more on that a little bit later. We are still touching major resistance on the weekly time frame, and of course we are still in a major weekly uptrend for this bear market recovery phase, which I do not expect is going to be ending anytime soon. Look, if we are going to be having a look into what some on-chain indicators that I've exactly used to predict the Bitcoin top, but also the Bitcoin bottom right here, well, then we can definitely see that this move is not at all exhausted just yet. And we still do have a lot more room for growth during this bear market recovery phase. And that will be exactly the reason why I think this upwards trend, this weekly trend, still has a lot more room for growth towards the upside. And well, that is going to be the reason why I think this huge move will be towards the upside. I think this breakout will be towards the upside right here of this symmetrical triangle, and eventually we will be breaking out towards the upside of this consolidation range. Now, that is what I'm thinking right now, right here. Of course, the funding rates are looking actually quite nice and quite good. The funding rates are actually pretty low, which of course means that the majority of the market is right now actually looking to be shorting the market. And of course, we do know the majority is usually wrong. So that would mean that we are going to be having another push being created towards the upside because the majority is wrong. Now, one thing is for sure, we are at the other hand creating these bearish divergences, which is of course not looking very good and not looking very nice. Of course, we can be invalidating these bearish divergences just like we did over here, for example. Now, because this is still looking pretty dangerous for Bitcoin, I would still be saying that it is going to be very important to break above this previous high. And whenever we can be getting a daily close above these previous highs and above this consolidation range, well, that is going to be the moment when we are going to be invalidating these bearish divergences just like we did over here, and we got right here this another push towards the upside. And that is going to be the moment whenever we are going to be breaking above this cup and handle pattern towards the upside and breaking this neckline towards the upside, breaking this weekly resistance towards the upside and this previous high towards the upside. That is going to be the moment whenever we are going to be getting this huge pump towards the upside. And that is going to be the moment whenever we are going to be getting this huge move. So first of all, wait for that confirmation, because of course this huge move can also be coming in towards the downside. Of course, this move can be coming in towards the upside or towards the downside. Now, wait for this daily close. If we are going to be getting a daily close above or below. Well, that is going to be indicating the right direction, whichever we are going to be taking. So let's see what is going to be happening with this decisive symmetrical triangle. If you do want to be staying up to date, be sure to be following me on Twitter and join my Telegram channel with the link down in the description. And I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.